Hello friends, today's video is going to be just a little bit different. I am doing my very first engine detail, and as you can see, it's pretty nasty. Now, being a woman, when you raise the hood, to most of us, it is completely unfamiliar territory. So I was a little intimidated, I will not lie. Now, I did not have a lot of resources available to me for this particular job, but I'm hoping that will change here in the near future. All I had today was some degreaser and a couple of microfiber towels. But in the end, I actually think it turned out pretty well, considering it was number one, my first time, and number two, I didn't have a lot of resources available. So I just cleaned it up and then I shined up the black parts, the black plastic parts, and it looks pretty good. So like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you. And let me know what you think of my first time doing an engine detail.